Hi, my glittering gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. So, recently I realized that I've always talked about how to earn and how to be financially independent before you turn 20, but I have never talked about some things that I wish I knew before I started at 15. So, yeah, this video is not about any tips or something, but ये video में I'm just going to share some truths and some lessons that I learned throughout my journey till now. Maybe this is something that you need. So just for context, let me just start with saying that I started earning when I was 15. So I was very naive and very young back then. Even now I'm like just 19. I'll turn 20 soon, so I'm still very young. And अभी भी मुझे उतना लेवल का नॉलेज नहीं है obviously. But ये जो 5-6 साल मैंने काम किया है उसके बेसिस में what all internally I realized, ये सब I'm just going to share with you all. So the main thing is that when we are young or when we are starting something new, the only main motive that we have is money. Like, even when I started earning when I was 15. That time, my sole motive was that I want to earn, I want to be financially independent, I want my own money, and that is okay. That is like a good motive to have. But uske wajah se, we often forget what we really like doing. So the thing is that in the beginning, I took up a lot of clients, a lot of projects, a lot of paid opportunities and gigs जो मुझे necessarily satisfaction and happiness नहीं दे रहे थे. It was not something जो मैं long run में देख रही थी खुद को करते हुए, but I was just taking it up because okay, it's giving me money, I know how to do it, and they also like my work. So ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm not doing my work efficiently or something. I know how to do it and I'm getting paid for it. It's okay, I'll just do it, and for the time being it was good. But gradually I realized that it's very important for me to enjoy what I do, and I think it's like a huge myth कि you cannot enjoy what you are doing for work. You can. So the main thing that I'm trying to say is कि if you are going forward with working on something solely for money for the time being, if you need the money and if you want the money, then okay, go ahead with it. But उसके साथ साथ ये भी ध्यान में रखिए, just be aware of it consciously कि am I enjoying this, and is this something that I want to continue in the future, or is this something जो मैं 1-2 साल करके या 1-2 महीने करके मैं साइडलाइन कर सकती हूँ वंस मेरा दूसरा काम जो मुझे ज्यादा मन है करने का वो सेट हो जाए. Even personally, I did this till like May, June. I was working on some projects which I was not necessarily enjoying, and it was like honestly draining me a lot. So recently मैंने बहुत सारे projects छोड़े, मैंने बहुत clients को छोड़ा for this sole reason कि I want to enjoy my work. I don't want it to feel draining. I don't want it to feel like a burden. And मैंने ये अपना life का sole motive बना लिया है कि I want to create a life I don't need a vacation from. Now the second thing that I totally neglected starting के कुछ years भी नहीं, till last year actually, जो मैंने पूरा neglect किया था was my emotional independence. The thing is that when we talk about independence, the only thing that comes हमारे mind में is financial independence. Independence to roam free and wear whatever we want, go outside, but one of the main aspects of independence has to be emotional independence. I struggled a lot with people pleasing. I struggled a lot with like forming strong boundaries, standing up for myself. मुझे नहीं आता था ये सब. So recently, like last year, after my 12th standard, I made a conscious effort कि I need to grow emotionally as well. I need to learn how to create boundaries. I need to learn how to be independent in the actual sense and not just पैसे के way में. Don't neglect your emotional freedom. Don't neglect your emotional self, because it's equally important to learn how to create that version of yourself. The first thing that I did, I strongly remember, is कि जैसे मेरा 12th standard खत्म हुआ था, जैसे I got the time and मेरे mind में ये आया कि okay, अभी मुझे चाहिए like एक मेरा जो ड्रीम सेल्फ है, आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट दैट. आई एम स्टिल नॉट दैट टिल नाउ जो मुझे बनना है, बट it's okay, it's a journey obviously, so time लगेगा. So the thing that I did is कि मैंने एक notebook लिया था and उसमें मैंने एक पूरा list बनाया था of all the qualities that my dream self would have, all the things that she'll do, all the qualities that she'll have. एक बहुत अच्छा self reflection का way है ये, and I think you should try it if you have no idea what your dream self look like. So the moral of the story is just learn how to be independent in the true sense and not just पैसों के मामले में. Now this one is very closely related to the first point that we talked about. So every opportunity won't be a good one for you. बहुत exploitation होता है. So you'll get a lot of opportunities in life which will sound good to you, it will pay you well, but your gut will say something else, like your instinct will just not be ready for it. Listen to that. If you're just starting off and you want the money, you want the experience, you want the exposure, you want the networking, then आप कर लो. अगर आपको gut feeling में आ रहा है क्योंकि I want to try this, I need to try this, if you want do it. अगर कोई opportunity के लिए आपको दिल से आ रहा है कि नहीं यार I don't want to continue it, या फिर I don't want to say yes to it, या फिर मुझे नहीं करना है, like it will just drain me. So just say no. It's okay to let go of some opportunities that does not feel right, maybe because of the pay, maybe because of the work culture, maybe because of the people there, maybe because of the exploitation that you are feeling internally. And there's always a better opportunity, there's always something जो आपको drain feel नहीं करवाएगा. So just look for it. Now this is something जो बहुत important point है मेरे नज़रों में. Working at a young age can be lonely because not everybody will be in the same path as you are. Not everybody will have the same interests, not everybody will have the same perspectives and priorities, and that is okay. They are not wrong, you are not wrong. आप लोग का बस अलग अलग path है, अलग अलग journey है, and you should just live with it. So आपको कभी कभी lonely हो सकता है लगे, and I'm not saying कि when you are working young you have to sacrifice your social life or your friends or anything like that, ऐसा नहीं है. But what I mean by loneliness is कि बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि you feel like they're not understanding you, your friends, they're not relating to you. It's not important for it to make sense to everybody, it just needs to make sense to you. And also I got a DM recently from a girl who said that she really wants to start creating content, but she's very scared to do so because her friends might make fun of her, people will think she's uncool, she's cringe. So of course there was a time when I was like 15, 16 and I used to think कि oh what if they make fun of me and what if they think कि she's so uncool, she's so cringe, and मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला भी है कि मैं cringe हूँ. So my point is that your true friends will never ever make fun of you for trying. And अगर आपको कोई दोस्त आपका ऐसा feel करा रहा है, they are not your friends, and it's better to be lonely, it's better to have no friends than have fake friends. Okay, so this has happened a lot of times with me. So of course when you work with people older to you, आपको बहुत लोग सीरियसली नहीं लेंगे, आपको बहुत लोग अंडर एस्टिमेट करेंगे. सो बहुत लोगों को लगेगा अरे इसको तो कुछ नहीं आता है, लेट्स हेल्प हर. मैंने आफ्टर वन पॉइंट ऐसे एक नोट बना लिया था कि मैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम नहीं करूंगी जो मुझे मेरी एज को लेके अंडर एस्टिमेट करता है. सो वेन एवर यू फील दैट यू आर इन अ सिचुएशन कि भाई ये इंसान मुझे अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहा है, ये मुझे श्रिंक करने का ट्राई कर रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज मैं यंग हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई एज, अगर वो आपके टैलेंट को, अगर वो आपके क्रिएटिविटी को, स्मार्टनेस को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर एज एंड यू फील एक्सप्लॉइटेड एंड अंडर एस्टिमेटेड, just set a boundary and ask what you deserve. Now again, this is something जो मुझे बहुत recently समझ में आया, and to be very honest, I'm still struggling with this. So when we start off at a young age, it's very easy to feel that burnout. So the only thing that you can do is rest, relax, and be unproductive on some days. It's totally okay to rest. And this is not something जो सिर्फ उन लोग को सूट करता है who are working, at a young age. It also suits to anybody who, is studying, जो कुछ competitive exams के लिए prepare कर रहा है, जो maybe कॉलेज फेस्ट्स में बहुत इन्वॉल्व है या कॉलेज असाइनमेंट्स में ड्राउंड है. इट अप्लाइज टू एवरीबडी बिकॉज व्हेन यू डू too much of a thing, you tend to get burnout. In short, don't treat yourself like a machine. You're not a machine. You are a very wonderful human. So just, let yourself be that sometimes. Now again, this is something जो सब पे apply होता है. There will be a lot of dreams and a lot of your wishes जो you will outgrow. You will feel like I don't want it anymore. मैंने बहुत लोगों को ऐसे देखा है बोलते हुए कि when I was 10 years old, when I was 11 years old, I wanted to be a doctor, I wanted to be an engineer. But as a 17-year-old, as an 18-year-old, I don't think I want that anymore. अगर आपका dream outgrow हो रहा है, it's okay. Just listen to your present self. Just listen to yourself. Whatever you do, trust me, your childhood self will be very happy and very proud of it. Okay, now this is something which is very important. Not everything has to be monetized. If you want to monetize something, go ahead. But it's always important to leave something just for pure joy. Because अगर आप हर चीज को monetize कर दोगे, everything will be work to you. Everything will feel like a responsibility to you. And some things should feel like pure joy. It should be just, a getaway for you. So just make sure that you leave some things out of your monetary circle. Some things should be left as hobbies and some things should be, your work. This is something which is very easy to feel and to fall in, but it's very important to realize that your worth is not based on how much you earn. कुछ time के लिए you will not earn, कुछ time के लिए you will earn less, कुछ time के लिए you will earn more. This is a part of life. This is a part of your professional and financial journey, especially when you're starting. So just do not define your worth based on how much you earn. Honestly, numbers पे कभी भी खुद का वर्थ नहीं डिफाइन करना चाहिए. एग्जाम के परसेंटेज, मनी, देन फॉलोअर्स, वेइंग स्केल में वेट एंड एवरीथिंग, ये सब नंबर्स है. एंड एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वी टेंड टू डिफाइन आवरसेल्व्स on the basis of these things. यही सब numbers के basis पे आपको खुद को define नहीं करना है बिल्कुल भी. So yes. Lastly, I just want to say that comparison is the biggest thief of joy. Don't compare your journey to somebody else's because सबका journey अलग है, सबका life अलग रहा है. Like the hardships and the challenges that you had to face in your life, I didn't have to. And the challenges and the struggles that I had to face in my life, you didn't have to. So सबका अलग अलग challenges रहा है, सबका अलग अलग hardships रहा है. It's very humanly impossible for everybody to have the same journey and the same life path and the same success story. So it's very important to just not compare yourself to anybody and just find your own spark, find your own path, go ahead with whatever feels right to you, because that is the only thing that will take you far in life, that will take you towards your dreams. And don't give anybody that power to have the control of your life. Remote control आपके life का सिर्फ आपके पास है. Don't forget that. So yeah, this video is something that I wish I had when I started off at 15-16. That time, nobody told me these things, and I really think that it might help somebody out there who is starting off. And if any one of these points helped you, do let me know, because I'll be very glad to hear about it. So yes, just take this video as a sign that you are doing just fine, you are okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!